This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy an ETF on Interactive Brokers. First, securely log into your Interactive Brokers account. Once logged in, navigate to the trading platform or client portal. Before proceeding, always ensure your account has sufficient funds to cover your intended ETF purchase. This initial step is crucial for a smooth transaction. Next, locate the search bar within the platform and enter the ticker symbol of the ETF you wish to buy. After finding it, take a moment to review the ETF's details, such as its historical performance and underlying holdings. It's important to confirm that this ETF aligns perfectly with your personal investment goals and risk tolerance. Now, it's time to place your order. Select your preferred order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific maximum price. Then, specify the exact quantity of ETF shares you wish to purchase. Always review all the order details carefully before clicking Submit to avoid any errors. After submitting, confirm your order and monitor its execution status in your order history. Once executed, your new ETF will appear in your portfolio, allowing you to track its performance over time. Remember to regularly review your investments to ensure they continue to meet your financial objectives. Also, check the description for a link to grab Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.